Who's ready for a little Louis Vuitton unboxing? I've got an exciting video for you guys today. As you can see, I've got a little something new and I'm really excited to share this piece with you guys. My birthday is just a few days away by the time I get this video up, and this piece has been calling my name. Let's go ahead and dive into the Louis Vuitton unboxing. I am so excited to share this piece with you guys. I cannot wait to wear this. I literally am so giddy about this one. I'm gonna go ahead and give you a little teaser with the dust bag, but I'm not gonna open it up right here just because once I start touching it, it'll be 100% spoiler alert. You'll know exactly the bag that I got. So I'm gonna go ahead and set this down and I'll go ahead and pull the bag out of the dust bag. So the bag that I've added to my collection for my birthday this year is the Louis Vuitton Cousin in the PM size. I'm probably completely butchering that name. I am not French, so I unfortunately cannot speak French words very well, but I am so excited about this bag. It's not like I needed another camel bag, obviously, but I am so obsessed with not only the camel color, but just bags that are really versatile like this. And I don't have anything in like a stamped monogram. Like I don't have anything empreinte. I don't have anything in this style from Louis Vuitton. So I just love this bag. So when I first saw this bag come out, I saw it in the MM size, and I really wasn't a fan because I just think the MM size is really big. And when I saw the PM size, especially in this color, it just kept calling my name. I love the fact that both of the straps are removable. So I could see using this strap right here, the canvas one, on my pochette Matisse. I could see using the chain strap on like my Petite Malle and just some other bags. Like I feel like there is so much versatility with this bag. I feel like with the chain, removing the canvas strap, it's the perfect like date night bag. But then when you have the canvas strap and then the detail of the chain, it is the perfect like crossbody everyday bag. It's like that perfect mix of casual and dressy. And this leather is seriously stunning. Like the leather is so beautiful. Like the pressed or embossed leather is so scrumptious, you guys. Like it is seriously so beautiful and very different from anything that I have in my collection. I can see wearing this both casual but also dressy. I know the camel color is very difficult to get a hold of. I unfortunately, which I do this very rarely, unfortunately did have to pay over retail. You've got 3 interior pockets with a center zip compartment, which you can really see from the kind of like almost pouch look from the bottom. So you can tell that there is like a compartment on the side, a zipper compartment in the middle, and then another compartment on the other side. I think they are all like the same exact size. The interior is this beautiful like navy microfiber material. You've got the Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy here, and then of course the gold hardware. I just am obsessed with this bag, and I knew that when I saw it in the camel color, I had to figure out a way to get my hands on it, and I was able to, and I'm so glad that I've added this to my collection, and I really think it is the perfect piece to have for my birthday. So was this at all what you guys expected? Do you guys love this bag? Is it not your thing? What do you think about this color? Is it not stunning? Let me know all your thoughts down below in the comments. If you're new to my channel, my name is Amanda. I love to do luxury and fashion videos, so make sure to hit that subscribe button and stick around for more. Before you head out, I'm gonna pop on some of my other videos, so make sure to watch those as well, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to follow me on Instagram so you can see how I style this beauty, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.